So, day 3 of my 30-day challenge, and I was unable to do my walk this morning, which is when I do these videos. So I figured I'd just do a quick one on the fly in the car, mix it up. But yesterday went really well. Accomplished everything, ate well, almost fell off the wagon. Last night was so nice. I wanted to get a stick, which is a cigar, glass of wine, sit out on my patio with my kids, but that didn't happen. I didn't cave. I ate well. Played chess with my son last night eating tea. I think I had like 4 Girl Scout cookies. They were Thin Mints, so I'm going to let that pass. That was the only bad thing I did. But anyway, I had an interesting, I stopped off at a local auto body shop this morning to get my door looked at. I need to get it fixed. And when I was getting the estimate, I asked him how business was. And he said it was good. You know, he mentioned that it's tough getting paint from Germany and it's tough getting people to work, which is understandable. Well, it's really not understandable. We were wondering why there's 10, 11 million jobs out there, and where are these people? What are they doing? You know, we had a discussion about COVID and how it changed the landscape, and you know, his daughter just graduated college and she just got a job, you know, good job, but it's a work from home. And he was telling me how concerned he was with that. Like, she wasn't going to be able to get to an office and, interact with people, and, you know, the hustle and bustle of life, and getting up, getting dressed. You know, you just work from home, and who knows when you take a shower of the day, and who knows when you get dressed. And he asked me, he goes, do you think that the quality of people's lives is diminishing? And I thought it was an interesting question. This guy's 65 years old. I'm 48. I said, look, I'm 48. The world changed for me. I'm doing the social stuff now. You have to do it, I feel. But I said, it has changed. Working from home, I don't have to commute. I don't have to go into Melville. I don't have to, sit in traffic for an hour and a half, going to work, hour and a half coming home. So I think it's all how you look at this whole thing when things change. And it just affirms the fact that no matter what goes on in the world, it's really what's in your head and your perspective and how you look at things. And you could either say the world's going to end and you're all upset and everything stinks, but you gotta live in the world, right? So you gotta make the best of it. And, if you like your job, you gotta make the best of it. So I thought it was interesting. And, I don't know, I felt I'd share that with you. So I will check in tomorrow, and we'll see how I'm doing.